I stand before you today to share my heartfelt admiration for a book that has captured my heart and mind, a book I have revisited countless times, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. The Alchemist is an enchanting tale of Santiago, a young shepherd boy who embarks on a quest to discover his personal legend and find hidden treasure. This book weaves together profound wisdom, adventure, and spiritual insights, making it a timeless classic that resonates with readers of all ages. I have read The Alchemist so many times that the pages have become worn and the words almost memorized. Each read brings a fresh perspective and a renewed sense of wonder. This book holds a special place in my heart because it serves as a guiding light during times of uncertainty and self-doubt. Whenever life becomes challenging, or when I find myself at a crossroads, I turn to this book for solace and inspiration. The Alchemist has had a transformative effect on me. It taught me to embrace my dreams and listen to the whispers of my heart. It reminds me that the journey is as important as the destination and that setbacks are opportunities for growth. Through Santiago's journey, I have learned the value of perseverance, the beauty of synchronicity, and the power of believing in oneself. This book has instilled in me a profound sense of purpose and the courage to pursue my passions relentlessly. It has taught me to find the extraordinary in the ordinary, the magic in everyday moments. I am forever grateful for the wisdom it imparts and the clarity it brings to my life. In conclusion, The Alchemist is a book that holds a timeless allure, urging us to embark on our own personal quests and discover the hidden treasures within us. It is a book that I will continue to read, cherish, and recommend to others for generations to come. Thank you